Today I'm going to take you through the new music presets in Krotos Studio, the workflow, and how you can add music really easily, dynamically to your videos. In the browser, you'll now see a new music category. There are some presets here to get you started, and let's take a listen to the first one. So what you hear right away, as soon as you load a preset, or in my case here, press start, the preset starts playing, the music starts playing. As soon as the music starts playing, you can now adapt and the mix as it's playing. The nice thing about this workflow is that if you need 3 minutes or 30 seconds of music to a video, you can adapt that exactly to what you need, to the feel, to any direction, or to the actual footage that you've got. Do that in real time to the footage as a performance, get it just right, get it right into the edit straight away. Just going to load a different track here called Lollipop. Okay, I'm going to stop that, and now I'm going to jump into Resolve. I've got a little countdown, and I've got a really short clip. I'm going to run the clip, and I'm going to actually perform in real time, and then get that clip straight into the edit. Okay, fantastic. So I was using the intensity slider here to move through these different sections of the track, and then also using the right mixer here to mix between the different elements of that track as we were going. So I could really perform to the footage, adapt what I was doing based on the feel and the sort of cadence of the edit. So I'm going to pick this up, I'm going to drag and drop it right into my edit. And you can see now that that music matches the clip really nicely. I'm just going to mute this track, and I'm actually going to select a different track here, and I'm going to use a different preset. I'm going to load the preset here called Trap Lullaby. Let's play the clip one more time, and let's do a different take with a different track. Okay, fantastic. That seemed to fit even better, I think. So I'm going to use the send to resolve feature here to send this directly to my timeline. So I'm just going to track right back, get to the exact frame where I started, which was here. And I'm going to hit send to resolve in Krotos Studio. And that's going to send it directly to that position on my timeline. Let's take a look at that last take that we just did. This was a very quick introduction to Krotos Studio Music. There's a lot more to come. Head to Krotos.studio and grab a demo, try it for yourself.